Last topic is a structured vector quantizer. So in tree structure vector quantizer, solve the complex problem. But in a structure vector quantizer, we find the storage problem. Means tree structure vector quantizer solve the complexity problem and structure vector quantizer solve the storage problem. So we now take an entire different track and develop a vector quantizer that do not have these storage problem. However, we pay for this relief in another way. So let us see, the first topic is our pyramid. This one is pyramid vector quantizations. So in case of pyramid vector quantizations, dimensions of the input vector increase. Something interesting happened. Means if we take a pyramid, then there are not only two dimensions like as x or y. In pyramid there are 6 dimensions. So ये कह रहा है कि as the dimension of the input increase, then we take another approach. We cannot work on the two-dimensional approach or LGV approach or tree structure vector quantizer approach. So suppose we are quantize a random variable x, any variable, we take any another random variable that is a x with function of x and different entropy hx. Suppose we block a sample of this random variable into vector x, a result of Shannon and Shannon-Fano algorithm अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा तो ठीक है, नहीं पढ़ा होगा तो कल के टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे Shannon-Fano algorithm. So Shannon's called the asymptotic equiportion property. First one is what is the asymptotic. तो आप लोगों ने डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में या डा में पढ़ा होगा, देयर आर टू वे टू फाइंड द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ एनी एल्गोरिथम. And first way is the asymptotic approach and second way is the practical approach. In case of practical approach, we find the algorithm to follow this algorithm, make a program and to run that program to find the time complexity. Means it will take 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 10 seconds. But in the asymptote approach, this is a totally theoretical concept and this will not find the exact time complexity, but it finds the nature of time complexity. Means it will be either order of n square, order of n log n or anything. Means it will find the only nature. Like as in order of n square, if we take in input 10, then the time complexity is 10 to the power 2 means 100. So here is AEP. AEP is an asymptote equiportion property, means this is a theoretical assumptions for the equiportions. So this one is a theoretical concept, not any practical concept for pyramid vector quantizer for your level. So in this case,